Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Capi at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano ang palatandaan ng kinabukasan para sa iyo at sa person mo. Passion. Wow. Ang kinabukasan ng iyong relationship. Ang passion dito, syempre, is all about, having that parang, sabi nga nila, nakakabaliw na chemistry. Yung tipong parang gusto mo na agad sirain yung damit niya. Yung pag nakita kayo, yung mga ganong mainit na damdamin para sa isa't isa, okay? At syempre, this is also mean having fun, no? Yung tipong nai-enjoy nyo talagang isa't isa, yung companionship with each other, yung time together. Talagang something na yung masaya kayo pag magkasama kayo, nag-work out yung relationship, na yung walang masyadong issue, talagang okay lang kayo, no? Walang pinagkakadiskusyonan, no? Talagang it's just really fun, and yung gusto nyo sa isa't isa, napaka-obvious, no? Napaka-obvious talaga, na to a point na nararamdaman mo talaga yung sabi ko nga, yung init ng damdamin. Yung tipong magkatitigan lang kayo, parang alam nyo na kung ano gusto nyo sa isa't isa. And you wanted to express that to this person. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa message na tao para kay Capricorn. Person na. Nag-flip the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. We have the Strength, the Three of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Bottom niya is the Five of Swords. Okay, Capi. So, yung start mo rito is the Ace of Wands. A new beginning, no? Definitely something to do with passion. Kasi wands to no? Something very fiery. Mainit. No, kung ka ba yun yung nagpupush sa'yo na gawin. No? Kung ka ba, it triggers your creativity. It triggers what's inside of you. Kung ka ba, kung ano yung meron ka dyan sa iyong personalidad. Okay? Ano ba yung parang gustong lumabas dyan sa iyong pagkatao na gusto mo i-express, no? And this is really expressing that new beginning, panibagong pag-uumpisa. And it has a lot to do with working on it, no? Pinagtatrabahuhan mo talaga na maging maganda o maayos yung relationship, no? Na punong-puno siya ng init nga ng damdamin. Hindi naman kasi basta sabihin natin, okay kayo, compatible kayo, okay. I mean, hindi naman totaling ganon. You still need to work on it, the relationship in itself. Di ba? May kailangan pa rin ng mga effort, no? Sa isa't isa. Hindi yung basta masaya kayo tuwing nakikita, okay na. Hindi naman ganon. Kasi kahit na anong relationship, it needs effort on it. It needs to be worked on. Okay? Kaya dito, with the Strength card, this is an energy coming from a Leo, which is another fire sign. So, if you're dealing with a Leo, Capricorn, no? O may Leo siya sa kanyang chart, sinasabi nga dito na that would give you that parang encouragement, no? Yung na talagang sige lang yung pag-express ng itong passion na to with each other, kasi maybe that's one common ground for you both, no? Except, I mean, aside from the love, there is passion, di ba? So okay lang, no? Okay lang na ganon. But you have to be very careful with this, kasi with the Three of Swords, ito yung part na nagkaroon ng disappointment, no? Nagkaroon ka ng heartache o heartbreak. May nangyari dito kung bakit na-experience tong energy na to. And what is saying here is yung love na ino-offer sa'yo is pinag-iisipan mo ngayon. No? You're trying to think about kung bakit mo tatanggapin to ngayon. Kasi kung dati nagkaroon ka na ng problema, no? Nasaktan ka na, in other words, ngayon medyo nag-iingat-ingat ka na, no? Do sa mga offer of love sa'yo. Kasi with the Five of Swords, syempre akala mo ikaw yung ano dito, kung ba parang sabihin natin in a way na ikaw yung panalo, kasi yung mga kalaban mo kung gabap tipong nag-surrender na, no? Nag-surrender siya. Pero hindi pa din kasi this is not really 100% winning the battle. This is really just parang temporary na masasabi natin na ikaw ang nagwagi sa laban na ito. But it is not, okay? So, tignan natin, bakit andito yung Three of Swords, no? That's why I wanted to clarify. Bakit andito yung Three of Swords? We have the Six of Wands, Judgment, and the Knight of Wands, okay? So, bakit ka nagkaroon ng heartache? Because you thought this is already kung gaba parang tetingin mo, wagi ka dito sa relationship na to. But somehow, hindi because there was a decision that needs to be made with this relationship. Kasi nga, with the Knight of Wands, this is something na hindi mo ina-expect na itong tao na to is something that is not consistent at all, no, with you. Hindi siya palagi dyan with you. Yung akala mo na magiging ano na siya, perfect partner for you, somehow change everything. No, nagbago. Kaya ikaw nagkaroon ka ng heartache, no? Na kung gaba na disappoint ka dito sa relationship na to. Hindi mo akalain na magiging ganon siya. Na eventually, kasi nag-start kayo to be okay, na maano naman kayo, nag-work naman yung relationship, you're happy together, but sabi ko nga, don't expect all the time na itong tao na to would be there for you. Kasi nga, by nature, this person enjoys the company of other people apart from you. Okay, that's why, diba, sabi ko nga, it needs work. It needs work na maging maayos yung takbo ng relationship. Kaya ikaw, if there is a new love coming in, a new offer of love, medyo ano ka na, wise ka na, kung ba. Kasi, ayaw mo na masaktan. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa. May message mo for Capricorn. This isn't goodbye. I don't want to walk away, but it's what's best for me and us right now. This isn't goodbye. We will be together again soon. Okay? So, ito, no? I think the reason kung bakit na heartache ka, maybe your person also decided na mag-separate muna tayo. Kung ba parang magbigay muna tayo ng space for each other. Kasi kung things are not working very well, di ba, dahil nga dito, it is best that you really parang, kung ba parang tignan muna natin ang isa't isa nang wala ang isa't isa. No? Kung ba, kanya-kanya muna tayo. Kasi sometimes, di ba, mas nakakapag-isip tayo clearly if we are not involved with someone. Di ba? Which is a good move, no? Kung mag-separate muna kayo. Kaya siguro, this is also one interpretation na baka nung ready na siya, nag-offer na ulit siya ng love, pinag-iisipan mo na ngayon, no? Trying to think very hard and long kung tatanggapin mo pa itong pagmamahala na to o relationship na to. Ano pa yung message for Capricorn? It says something to do with birthday. A significant birthday holds the answer to your question. Wow. So, if it's something to do with a birthday, Capi, baka birthday mo o birthday niya, mayroong maganap. Or maybe it has something to do with, yung either yung pag-goodbye with something to do with the birthday. Baka yun yung tayo na magsabi na siya na let's separate muna. Or it could be na baka nung time ng birthday o may celebration, that's a time na talagang na-discover mo to na parang wala siyang panahon for you. Okay? It could also be your birthday might be the time na magbalik siya, mag-offer siya ulit ng love sa'yo. Take it as it resonates, okay? So, tignan natin. Let me put it here. Kakabalikan pa ba sila? Copy tsaka in person yan. It says here, yes. And this is the Two of Cups. Kung ba talagang, I think you're meant to be because of maybe there's truly passion. No, meron talagang init na damdamin. Baka nagkaasaran lang kayo dito sa part na to. Excuse my French, but alam mo yon, yung talaga kasi ng, sabi ko kasi by nature, medyo may pagkaano to playful, flirty, mahilig sa outing, sa barkada, no? So, it's really up to you kung how far can you tolerate yung mga ganon. So, it needs to be work on, di ba? Kaya sabi ko nga dito, kailangan siyang pagtrabahuhan. Kailangan siyang, constantly working on it para maging maayos kayo. Okay, so, natin. Kailan yung tatanong ko sana kung kailan magbabalikan. It says your September, which is this month. Baka birthday ng person mo. I don't know kung ano yung birthday ng person mo, but this is something to do with September. Okay? So, kung ano man yung energy na nakuha natin dito, Capricorn, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa ng malaki. And sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.